Vision Computers is an electronic tablet manufacturer. They use Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace for supply chains to digitize and enable collaboration for a network of trading partners. This dashboard shows Vision Computers and its network of trading partners. Using a pre-built SaaS application, Vision Computers gains visibility across their entire supply chain network and enables a standardized, trustworthy view of critical supply chain processes and documents. This view captures transactions, locations, and supply chain milestones all in one view. In this case, Vision Computers is the founder and purchases a license for Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace. They determine which of their trading partners they need to invite to participate in the network. Vision Computers chooses to track documents related to order fulfillment, procurement of components, manufacturing, product quality, shipping, and receiving. Each supply chain process, such as fulfilling tablet orders and ordering audio components, is modeled. This enables Vision Computers to track progress and quickly identify if a critical step was omitted or was the root cause of a problem. As transactions are received, they are associated and mapped to their respective business flows. This helps Vision Computers track the progress of each step of their supply chain and visualize the relationships across business flows, such as the procurement of batteries or ordering of audio components to fulfill the tablet order. Custom business logic is configured using smart contracts. Then, when a non-compliant event occurs, Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace automatically creates a warning, minimizing human error and mapping data in real time as transactions occur. These smart contracts can also be enhanced by partners. Here, Vision Computers can see a smart contract violation related to temperature occurred when the shipment was in transport and under the management of Speedy Carrier. To investigate further, Vision Computers can review a time series chart of the shipment's temperature throughout its life cycle. This view shows how Vision Computers can scroll through the shipment timeline and can see that components are being shipped by their supplier, Alpha Electronics, from the West Coast USA across the Atlantic. Multiple business flows can happen in parallel. This view shows how these parallel business flows and their associated documents and events can all be traced in one view. Founders and partners can also get a full view of the documents that they have access to within each flow. For instance, Alpha Electronics and Vision Computers can both see the bill of lading. A full transaction summary lists all documents. Users can filter and search by document-level details, such as document type, submitter, timestamp, as well as by more detailed information such as product ID or custom reference numbers. For a summary of exceptions and warnings, simply click on the warnings icon on the navigation bar to explore areas that may need to be resolved. A unique feature of Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace is the ability to conduct simulations. Founders can set up simulations to test out the entire network and business flows or transaction flows before going live with all partners, thereby minimizing risk and avoiding costly changes after going live. Mock data is created to run a simulation. Harness the power of Oracle's Intelligent Track and Trace to manage multi-party supply chains and build trust across a global network of partners.